we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
Hello and welcome to Jagran Josh. Well, a game-changing announcement has just landed in Assam, set to reshape a student futures. Well, the Assam Abhinandan Education Loan Subsidy 2.0 is here and offering a remarkable 50,000 direct relief. And could this be the financial freedom you have earned for? The details are unfolding and promising an unburdened path to your academic dreams. So let's deep dive into the details. So the Assam government, under the leadership of Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, has launched an updated version of their education loan subsidy scheme and now called Abhinandan Education Loan Subsidy Scheme 2.0. Well, this scheme is a significant benefit for students from Assam who are pursuing higher education. And under this program, the Assam government will provide a one-time subsidy of 50,000 to all students. Well, this subsidy is especially for those who have taken an education loan of more than 1 lakh. And this scheme aims to ease the financial burden on students and encouraging them to pursuing their higher education without any stress. And it also covers loans from the major commercial bank, including Federal Bank and HDFC, as well as regional rural banks and the Assam Cooperative Apex Bank. And students who are permanent resident of Assam are the beneficiary, and they can find more information on their official website, which is dids.assam.gov.in. And those interested in applying for the Abhinandan Education Loan Subsidy Scheme 2.0 must be a permanent resident of Assam. And to qualify, applicants need to be currently pursuing higher education, whether within Assam or other state. And the key eligibility requirement is that their education loan must have been sectioned wise and between April 1, 2020 and March 31, 2024 from a scheduled commercial bank and regional rural bank or the Assam Competitive and Cooperative Apex Bank. And the loan amount must be more than at least 1 lakh. Well, it's important to note the children of public representatives like MLAs, MPs, panchayat members and other government employees, including those in the government PSUs, are not eligible for this scheme. And to apply, candidates should visit the Digital Infrastructure or DBT schemes, which is DIDS portal at the same official website. And if you already have an account, you can log in. And otherwise, simply fill out the application form and submit it in a very simple way. And take it a printout copy for the future reference. Till then, keep watching Jagran Josh for more updates.